In this video, I'll show you how to start a Canva Pro 30-day free trial so you can unlock all premium features completely free. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once the home page loads, look at the top right corner and click on Try Canva Pro for free. If you don't see it there, you might find it on the homepage banner. Next, log in to your existing Canva account or click Sign Up if you're new. You can create an account using your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple. Just follow the prompts until you're inside your dashboard. Now Canva will guide you to activate the Pro trial. You'll need to enter a payment method to start the 30-day free trial. Don't worry, you won't be charged right away. The payment method is only used if you decide to continue after the trial ends. Once you enter your details and confirm, your Canva Pro access will activate instantly. You can now use premium templates, background remover, Magic Resize, brand kits, and pro elements without restrictions. If you decide it's not for you, just go to Account Settings, click Billing and Plans, and cancel before the 30 days are over to avoid charges. And that's it. That's how you start your Canva Pro free trial. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.